Hey everybody, this is Al, just presenting a little video about nature and the beauty and simplicity and perfection that I find in nature when I come. This is Wilder Ranch in Santa Cruz, California, and we are walking around on Eagle Creek Trail, and it is a great day. This little gully right here. Just thinking about the image of the earth like a big back of a mother, and she's covered in hair and life, and we're just walking around on the back. Do, 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 do. This reminds me of the video by the Grizzly Man, Yosemite Bear, I think his name is. He has this video with all these turkeys. He's like, oh my god. So he's just making a video of himself in nature like this, and he comes across the whole thing of turkeys. So this is a double rainbow guy. This is the double rainbow. Double rainbow all the way. Other thing I'm kind of getting into this book, Yoga Sutra, and basically it's just like saying, bro, like you want to be happy, bro? Just stop thinking so much, dude. Stop your brain, bro. Do some yogas, some Raja yoga, some Bhakti yoga, some fucking Karmas yogas. You know what I'm saying, bro? And then you start getting all high, like fucking high spiritual, like oh my, like OMG, start transcending and shit, bro. Like go to a couple festivals, get a couple besties in there, you know. And then you start going, and then you start communing with Patanjali. He comes into you, he becomes you, and then you're like, oh, I am him. And you're like, I'm everything, and you're like, oh my god, I'm nothing, and then you're like, oh my god, I'm everything again. Woo! Just kidding. And here we go. I'm gonna flip you around so you can get a better perspective on the life that I'm living. I don't know what this button does, but okay. Get my face out of there. I've been such a goddamn narcissist. Fucking pathological narcissism, fucking egotism, fucking energy vampire. Don't be an energy vampire, dude. Go vegan. Go vegan, smoke spliffs. Just kidding. Don't do any of that stuff. Go to school. Stay in school. And then drop out. And then go back. And then get a job. And then quit. And then get a different job. And then move somewhere else. Change your name. Change your sex. Change back your sex. Well, you don't have to do that if you don't want. You don't even have to listen to me. Just do whatever you want. Just make sure you're having a good time. Don't forget to bring a towel. Or you can forget it. It doesn't matter. I didn't bring a towel today. So, have a good day.